how to text message reply to a missed call from the lock screen on the iPhone 16 series. So here on my lock screen, I have a missed call. So if you want to quickly reply to that notification, what you need to do is long press on the notifications. So touch and hold. So on the lock screen, touch and hold. Then from the pop-up, tap on send message. Next, enter your passcode and then just put in your text message. And then tap on the send button. And that's it. That is a very quick way to text reply to a missed call directly from your lock screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.